I am Krista McNamara with ABRN and Motor Age magazines, and I'm here with a look ahead, our monthly preview of what you will learn in our upcoming issues to help grow your skills and business, brought to you by Toyota Wholesale Parts. Profitability became vitally important in 2020, and many shops are looking to OEM certifications to help boost their bottom line. Our December issue of ABRN offers you some tips, from evaluating your market to making equipment decisions, to ensure you are picking the best programs for your business. Next, learn from iCar trainer David Brinkley about torque specification and collision repair. Clamp down on what you should know and better understand the repair process in areas that are typically misunderstood, such as bolt-on body panels and other components. Lastly, in a world asking for equality for all, learn why treating all shops equally in today's market is no longer fair. Shop manager Will Laytough explains how key KPIs once used to set exemplary shops apart may in fact be punishing those completing a more thorough repair. Our Motor Age trainers will definitely want to check out this month's edition of The Trainer, in which Director of Training Pete Meyer walks you through the process of tackling parasitic drains. Learn the easy way to find and fix the problem. Next, learn how to master the art of positive communication in your shop. Automotive Training Institute's Chubby Frederick teaches us how to deal with negativity from others and use our interactions as an attempt to influence positivity, both among our staff and in communication with our customers. Lastly, build efficiency and accurate diagnostics using a digital storage oscilloscope. Motor Age technical editor Brandon Steckler makes the case on why a DSO is worth investing in and how it can change your repair game for the better. That's just the start of what you'll find in the December issues of ABRN and Motor Age. Watch your mailboxes and inboxes for all of these stories and more great best practices. I'm Krista McNamara, and thanks again for joining us for this month's A Look Ahead, brought to you by Toyota Wholesale Parts.